They're ripping me apart! This is real!
You think what's happening out there is the cause.
You're saying that right now?
That's why you keep getting hit.
User awareness, active action.
I can actually die here!
You think what's happening out there is the cause.
Does this look meaningless to you?
You're already high on fear.
So I'm just supposed to ignore this?
This is heresy against the ego.
You're saying that while I'm being chased by zombies?
That's why you can't get out.
No way! This is real!
That's why you believe it.
You think that's possible right now?
Stay calm anyway. That's why we practice. The world is your projection.
What?
Then you can end it.
No external block detected, restrictions self-imposed. 止めてるのはそうじゃない。